Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to add stickers in video using Capcut. The process is quite simple and easy. The first thing is import your data in Capcut and drag this to the editing section. After this, you will see a lot of options on the left top, like media, audio, text. And here is the option sticker. Tap on this, and from here, select your sticker. You can also search for your sticker like I am searching for. So I searched for funny emoji. And here are the results. Select your sticker. The first thing is you have to download this emoji by typing on that emoji. Now it's downloaded. Simply tap on this and drag this on the top of the video. Now zoom in, adjust the time duration. I want to show this on the start of my video, so that's why I am putting it here. Now adjust the size of the sticker. If you take a look on the right top, you will see the option scale. Simply tap on this and take this to the left side. After adjusting size, here is position. This is for taking this emoji from left side or to the right side. Tap on this one and write the position for your sticker. I'll write 400. As you see, the sticker moved to the right side, but I will adjust this to the middle of the screen. So therefore, I'm writing 0. Now this is for taking emoji from top to bottom. So I am writing here -200. So you see this sticker move to the bottom. And here you can also adjust the time duration of sticker by swiping this to the left side or to the right side. So by using this method, you can add stickers in videos using Capcut.